Oh my god. I keep getting screwed up with these hooks. I don't know what it is. These hooks are sharp. Something. A bluegill. Wow, I'm surprised there's bluegill in here. Crappie. This is a crappie, definitely. Oh no, just another sunny. It was a big sunny, too. So we're just gonna drift, just like we drifted on that side, on this side, see if we can get any crappie or any other fish to bite. Oh shit, oh my god, big fish. Oh my god, yes, just what we were looking for, guys. Look at how big that crappie is. Yes, it's exactly what we were looking for. A slab crappie. A slab. I think that's a keeper too. How nice that one is. Let's see. It's definitely a keeper. Look at that fish, guys. Beautiful. We're gonna keep this guy. And we're gonna cook him when we get home and eat him. So this side, this side, we're gonna see if we can look this side. We got another one. Oh my god, I don't know what that was, but it was big. I don't know what it was. Shit. Alright, we're drifting again on the other side. I just had something bite it before. And of course. Oh, something bit it there. Another slab. Another slab. Let's go, baby. Yes. That's even bigger. Oh my god, that's even bigger, guys. There is some big crappie here. Oh, yes. It's not bigger, but it is still size. Gotta be 8 inches here in Jersey. Woo! Welcome back to the kitchen, guys. This is Diego. You already know. I got these 2 crappies. I already cleaned up one. I forgot to record, so I'm gonna clean this one on camera for you guys. Come close. Alright, so this is what we have from the fish. Alright, so we did some flour and some Red Hots, some Frank's Red Hots wings, buffalo sauce. Let's see how it is.
Mommy!
Cheers.
Oh no!
Wow. That's actually really good. Wow. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. A little bit different, but leave me a comment down below. Any suggestions? I hope you guys enjoyed that again. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it if you have any friends that like catch, clean, and cooks or fishing in general. All right. See you guys and catch you out on the water.